It's June 3rd. We've just kind of gotten to the end of transplants. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the new row of tomatoes going in. As you can see, we got some heavy fruit set. We got white strawberries, yellow strawberries. Plenty of cukes coming. Here's the Food Lawns R&D. Plenty of things getting ready for the ground. Potatoes coming up, flowers all over them. And the bees coming and going. Come see us. 6022 Oleander Drive. See we farm in the parking lot too. See us at Riverfront Farmers Markets on Saturday, Poplar Grove on Wednesdays. See you soon.